Hello guys, welcome back to another video with Mahnaz. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a clean and simple map using GMT step by step. What is GMT? GMT stands for Generic Mapping Tools. It's a free open source software that helps you create scientific maps right from your terminal. With GMT, you can show land elevation, ocean depths, and add coastlines and country borders. Create maps for geology, geography, oceanography, and more. It's used by scientists all over the world, and the best part is you only need a few lines of code to make beautiful and high quality maps. What we will do in this tutorial, we will create a basic background map that shows topography, ocean, country border, a neat map frame with a scale bar and north arrow. No GPS data file, just a simple and clean base map. For anything you want to use, you can add more things, but for now we just started with basic. What do you need? Before we start, make sure you have topography file, GRD file, CPT file. It's color palette for topography. You can download from the website. I will give you the address. There is a lot of ready palette for you, and that one is my code. It's really simple bash script with GMT comments. What area we are mapping? Today I will map a region between latitude 43 to 76 and latitude is between 20 to 40. That includes part of Iran, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Arabian Sea. It's a great example for practicing. If you don't have any of these file, please let me know. I will send you immediately. So you should define the region and projection. We tell GMT what part of the world we wanted to map and what kind of projection to use. Here I'm using Mercator projection, and also we need to cut elevation grade. We use GRD cuts to take only the area we want to see on your map. And after that, just here you can just copy this part and change base of your area. Here we have, just let me show you. So here we have the topography, projection, and the frame and label. All of the necessary things for showing a clean and nice map. And with PS base map, we add a distance or a scale bar and a north arrow to help people read the map correctly. And finally, as you see at the end, we used GMT PS convert in order to turn our map into an image, and that one is high quality picture as you see here. Just let me to show you. Now you have a beautiful clean base map ready to use for anything. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to my channel and leave a comment please. Let me know what kind of map or tutorial would you like to see next. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.